Want to customize how your Telegram chat list appears? Whether you prefer a compact or detailed view, Telegram allows you to adjust the chat list format easily. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, find and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Chat Settings. Scroll down until you find the Chat List View option. Here, you'll see two choices. 2 lines. This displays the contact's name along with a preview of one recent message. 3 lines. This expands the preview to show 2 recent messages, making it easier to glance at longer conversations. Simply tap on your preferred option and Telegram will instantly update your chat list view. And that's it. Now you can customize how your chat list appears to suit your preference. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.